Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you considering joining Oppizi in order to earn money delivering flyers? So, before you commit, let me give you the full scoop so you can decide if it is worth your time or just another gig that sounds better than it is. Now, if you want a more reliable and profitable way to make money, you can check the link in the description for my top recommendation. So first of all, let's understand what is Oppizi. So it's a gig economy platform that pays you to distribute flyers for companies like Uber, DoorDash, and ClassPass. The idea is simple. You pick up the flyers from the territory manager and deliver them to the destined area and get paid about $23 per hour. Missions typically last 3 hours, meaning that you can earn up to $69 per mission. It sounds good, right? Well, here is what you need to know before you actually sign up for it. While Oppizi offers decent pay as compared to other gigs applications, it's not without its downsides. So first, it is only operational in certain countries like in the US, UK, Australia, and a few others. And you will need to walk a lot, rain or shine, or deliver flyers door to door. Some users report waiting up to 2 weeks to receive their earnings as well. So you need to keep in mind this thing as well. So it is not a bad gig if you are okay with these challenges, but is it really worth the effort? This thing you need to consider. Now, here is the truth. OPZ might be a decent side hustle, but it still requires trading your time for money, and that means you will always be limited by the number of hours that you can work. That's why I recommend exploring better options, ways to earn money online that are flexible, scalable, and don't require running around town. So you can check the link in the description in order to discover my favorite strategy to build a consistent income from your home. So to wrap it up, OPZ is legit and you can earn some quick cash, but it is far from the best option out there. So if you are serious about boosting your income and if you want something that actually works without all these hassle, make sure to click the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips on how you can earn in a smarter way. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.